I'm always looking for a good foaming hand soap refill, and sometimes they're hard to find. So when I came across these from Method, I knew I had to give them a try. So we have glass bottles in our bathroom, and instead of constantly using the small little plastic bottles, because we go through them so quickly, I'm always looking for those refills. So this one here is Vetiver and Amber. I know what Amber smells like. I have no clue what Vetiver is, so hopefully it smells good. So first we're gonna do a smell test in the bottle. It just like kind of gives me that woodsy, like sandalwood type smell, and I absolutely love it. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in here, and I'm gonna do a couple pumps to get it out. We're gonna see if it's actually foamy, and the other thing too is I wanna know if it's actually going to, if the foam's gonna smell, because I've tried so many of these, and once I've pumped them out, they smell great in the bottle, and then you pump them out, and then like the foam doesn't even smell, so like doesn't leave your hands smelling nice, and that's the important part. So let's go ahead and see. I'll probably need a couple of pumps here. Oh. All right, oh, look at that. Yep, I can smell it. Super foamy. Obviously, I did more pumps than I normally would. I didn't think it would come out so quickly, but yeah, this stuff, fantastic. This is a 4-pack, and there are so many different scents to choose from. This is great.